Welcome 7th grade ELA, and today we are going to learn about capitalization. We're going to learn when words need to be capitalized. So this worksheet should be located in the handout section, day 11. And for you to set yourself up for success, I would try to remove everything on the left side of the navigation and split screen this video to where you can see your OneNote and this video. Of course, I'm currently recording this video, so here's the mock video of Wonder Pets. Before we get started into our lesson, I just want to let you know that in order for you to capitalize something, you can press the Shift key, which is located on the left and the right side of your keypad. Shift key and the letter you want capitalized. You can also press caps lock. That will ensure that the letters that you write will be capitalized. Or you can press Shift, Shift A, Shift B, Shift C in order to capitalize it one letter at a time. You can use the space that I provided for you to practice capitalization if you need to. All right, there's a lot of capitalization rules, so today we're going to narrow it down to capitalizing your mints. Months and days, the letter I, names, titles, and start of sentences. First, months and days. Always capitalize months, always capitalize days. For example, my birthday is in November on a Tuesday. Now I want you to write your own example using a different month and a different day in this box. Go ahead and pause the video. Next, every time the letter I is on its own, we must capitalize it. I can't wait to open the presents I receive. Every time we have I on its own, we must capitalize it. Go ahead and pause the video and write a sentence with the letter I in this box. Anytime we encounter a specific name or a proper noun, we want to make sure we capitalize it. Specific person or people, for example, Matt Penn, Tom Brady, LeBron James, capitalize. Specific places, Yes Prep, Walmart, Six Flags Over Texas, capitalized. Specific things or brands, Starburst, Gucci, Chipotle. And specific holidays, Christmas, Thanksgiving, Columbus Day, Labor Day. All of these proper nouns must be capitalized. Go ahead and go to this box on the right side and write your own example of a specific person, place, things, brands, and holiday. Go ahead and pause the video to take care of this box. Then, we want to make sure that we capitalize titles. Titles are found in books, movies, TV shows, website or newspaper articles. And here are the rules for them. There's kind of a particular way to write titles. Always capitalize the first word, no matter what. Capitalize important words, and then you're going to ask, what's an important word? Well, we're actually going to figure out what's a non-important word and then not capitalize those. So a non-important word is the, is, are, or, and, but, of. This means that unless they are at the beginning of a sentence, we do not want to capitalize them. The outsiders. Notice that the is capitalized, but it's a non-important word. Well, that's because we always capitalize the first word. Second, Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs. Always capitalize the first word, therefore we capitalize snow. And then the non-important words are and the, and the, so we do not capitalize them. Go ahead and write the title of a TV show, book, or a movie in this box. My push for you is if you can figure out a title with non-important words in the middle of its title. But if you can't think of one, that's okay. And then finally, at the start of every sentence, you must capitalize the first letter every time. This is something that in 7th grade and from here on out, you'll be held accountable for. What's a penguin? Capitalize W. Bonus points if you get the inside joke and can tell me the response on this box. But if not, you can just go ahead and write me a random sentence here, making sure you capitalize the first letter. All right, so let's go to our next activity. The directions are you are going to capitalize the appropriate words in the following sentences. You're going to rewrite the sentences in the yellow box and then make sure that you have proper punctuation, usually a period at the end of each sentence. Mr. Audrey's birthday is in October, hint, hint. So the way I rewrite it, I capitalize the M because why? It's the first word of every sentence. Audrey is a proper noun. It is my name. Birthday is in October. And remember, we always capitalize months, and then we include a period. Miss Rangel always wanted to be in the Girl Scouts. Same thing, we want to capitalize the first word of every sentence, and then Miss Rangel is a proper name, proper noun, always wanted to be in the, and then Girl Scouts is a specific brand thing. Let's add organization. Good job, Mr. Audrey. Organization. And then let's add proper punctuation. Beautiful. Now go ahead and take care of the rest of the sentences on your own. On this next section, you're going to create your own sentences that are properly capitalized using the category. So you create your own sentences, including a month, the letter I. Number 3 is a little bit more challenging, specific person, people, and place. A title, specific things and people. We also want to know whether this type of lesson is really good for you, whether you're able to learn from this type of video lesson. So let us know here by highlighting or circling one of these choices, because we want to improve the way we teach for you. And then finally, we're going to go over all of these answers at whatever time Mr. Audrey or Ms. Rangel will give you so that we can check your answers. If we forget to give you a time, please bug us and let us know. Thank you. All right, so go ahead and fill out these questions, these sentences, and let us know if you have any questions or concerns. Thank you for watching my video. Like, subscribe, and follow.